Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this wicker outdoor furniture setup, and it's actually modular, so it can move around depending on your needs, and you can lock it together. Actually, how long it takes to install and some other cool stuff. So it took about, with all the tools that it comes with, everything that comes with this, took about 60 minutes of just nonstop put together. It's actually very simple. Comes with all the provided hardware. Some other cool things are the material is made out of a polyester. This is outdoor furniture, and it can be unzipped and then cleaned. These tags can be taken off, but just some example sample. These can be taken off, cleaned, and put back in place. But it is a polyester material that is meant for outdoor use, which is going to prolong potential fading or anything like that. The glass here, this is actually a glass top table. I'll explain what these are here in a sec. All this comes together. This is a nice wicker. This is sort of a natural color wicker material. Actually, after you put it together, it's actually pretty nice, well constructed, doesn't go anywhere. But this is a black glass top. This is definitely hard glass. These clips, which you have enough depending on how the setup you want, will allow you to connect these individual things. These are individual, so you get 1, 2, 3, and 4, and these very, I'd say, industrial heavy gauge plastic underneath can be clipped together. So this right now is all one piece that can be moved around. So these are all individual, can be moved around, but from an example standpoint, I haven't locked them all together. Some measurements that are probably really important depending on the user sitting in them. Start with the height. So the height of the table is right at about 17 inches, cushions right at 17 inches. And then the back, the high part of the back with the cushion is right at 32 inches. But this part here, the back rest, is right at about 26 inches. The glass top table here actually has, not casters, but it has like the little knobs in the bottom. So if what it's sitting on is not level, you can adjust that on this piece. The dimensions on each individual piece are right at about 28 inches by about 28 inches. So 28 inches by 28 inches. Pretty sure this is actually 25 and a half by 25 and a half square. And then these are all the exact same. Very nice put together. Again, it took about an hour. Material is very well constructed, and the bolts are all like a high gauge powder coated bolts. They kind of bolt everything together, and the cushions are definitely comfortable. Definitely comfortable. It is recommended that in like rainy weather conditions or anything like that, you bring these, because they are a polyester fabric material, you bring them in. But again, if they stain or anything like that, they can be all hand washed with warm water. It's recommended not to do any kind of heavy gauge cleaning material because they do clean up pretty easily, because it is a polyester material. Now, full disclosure, this company sent these to me and said, Ryan, give this an honest review. Tell us what you think. So from an installation standpoint, everything comes with it, about an hour to put together. I like the fact that this is a polyester type fabric material, and you can take the cushions off and clean them if need be. And the height of it is just about right. And it you kind of just sink into it, very casual. And I actually really like the natural wicker color on the sides there. Hopefully this answered any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.